Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to turn off active status on Instagram. So let's get started the video. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Now in the settings and privacy, scroll down until you find messages and a story. Under the how others can interact with you section, tap it to access more privacy options. Click on show activity status. Now toggle it off. When this is off, people won't be able to see when you are active or when you are last online. Your active status is now hidden from others. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.